Hey YouTube, out here doing a little fishing today. This is not a make video. Hopefully this is a catching video. Out here the shad runs going through. So I'm out here trying to see if the shad's up and at them. But on the James River right now, let you guys know how it's going. Check in a few minutes if I hook into something. Alright, got one. Don't go over there. Don't go over there. In case y'all are if I can catch this sucker. In case y'all are wondering how to tell herring from a hickory shad from American shad, you close their mouth and their bottom lip protrudes past their top. That's a hickory shad. So anyway, that's how you tell who's who. Alright, now that's an American shad. You close the lips and they go flush. So, nice one. That felt good. Whoa! It's jumping. It's jumping. That's about 10 seconds I let that drop in this fast water, and then I start to retrieve it in pretty slow for the most part. You can go even slower. I find that this is about right. There it is. That one caught close. Oh, you got the spoon. See, they don't like that orange spoon. Come on, really? Ugh, he's just splashing it everywhere. There he goes. Whoa. That's a nice one. It was pretty too bad. That's a good size one. I got a good one here. Pretty decent. It's a hickory. Good size one. Whoa. Here's a good size. Jeez. I'll find out how long he is in a minute. I got these marks on my boat. He was 17 inches. There's one. Just a little. is. Come on. Do a little jump for the camera. There's a little guy. Whoop, he's jumping down. Alright. Good night. Had some fighting little rascals. He's gonna jump. Yep, he did a little jumping. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, if you can see that. That's a hickory. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. They felt nice anyway. I did want to say one more thing. The James River is awesome at this time of year. When the shad come in, they usually say when the dogwoods bloom, that's when the shad are in here nice and heavy. I believe it. It's something about that timing with the temperature and everything when they bloom. I've caught huge striper in here too. I'll put a link. Well, actually, I'll just put a picture up or something on the screen or something of some of the stripers and catfish I've caught in and out of here. But I love it. It's like 20 minutes from home. All right. Till next time. That's the size of my catfish. Freaking mouth on that thing. It's so crazy. That big fucking guy.